The COVID 19 pandemic has created a lot of fear, anxiety, restlessness, and panic worldwide, thus affecting individuals' mental health. This highly infectious disease, which has, as on April 27, 2020, globally infected over 28 lakh people and 1,93,825 deaths have been confirmed, bringing about uncertainty over the future. People across the globe have made some life-changing adjustments that include wearing face masks, avoid handshakes, maintaining hand and respiratory hygiene. Countries have imposed lockdowns and extreme measures of social and self-isolation. The pandemic is having a profound effect on all aspects of society, including mental health. According to a paper published in Lancet Psychiatry, a panel of experts studied the adverse impact of coronavirus pandemic on global mental health and called for more funding for research as people are already experiencing mental trauma and fears. Lead author Emily Holmes said that already we are dealing with unprecedented uncertainty and major changes in our lifestyle due to coronavirus. She added, "Our surveys show these changes are already having a considerable impact on our mental health." The authors called for real time of anxiety, depression, self-alarm and suicide across the world, along with the development of treatment programs that can be accessed remotely. The experts also warned that these fears could continue even after the lockdown is lifted in the near future. The World Health Organization's Department of Mental Health and Substance Use have already released a series of messages that can be used in communications to support mental health and psychological well-being in different target groups during the outbreak. Here's a quick look at what WHO recommends. When referring to people with COVID-19, do not attach the disease to any particular ethnicity or nationality. Be empathetic to all those who are affected. They have not done anything wrong and they deserve our support, compassion, and kindness. Minimize watching, reading, or listening to news about COVID-19 that causes you to feel anxious or distressed. Seek information only from trusted sources. Protect yourself and be supportive to others. Assisting others in their time of need can benefit both the person receiving support and the helper. Find opportunities to amplify positive and hopeful stories and positive images of local people who have experienced COVID-19. Honor carers and healthcare workers supporting people affected with COVID-19 in your community. Acknowledge the role they play in saving lives and keeping your loved ones safe. For people in isolation, stay connected and maintain your social networks. Try as much as possible to keep your personal daily routines or create new routines if circumstances change. During times of stress, pay attention to your own needs and feelings. Engage in healthy activities that you enjoy and find relaxing. Exercise regularly, keep regular sleep routines, and eat healthy food. Thank you for watching this report. We urge you to follow social distancing, stay home, practice hand and respiratory hygiene, and most importantly, keep yourself informed only through trusted sources.